Ever felt caught up in the relentless pace of life with no pause button to hit? Welcome to the world of guided meditation, a sanctuary for your mind. Our modern lives, incessantly buzzing with activities and responsibilities, often leave us yearning for moments of calm and tranquility. This text will introduce the transformative practice of guided meditation for inner peace and mindfulness. We will explore how this powerful tool can help us navigate life with greater ease and serenity, even in the midst of chaos. We will just be touching on the surface of this deep and profound topic, but our aim is to offer you a glimpse into the tranquil world of meditation and inspire you to delve deeper on your own. Remember, the journey to inner peace begins with the first step, and this could be yours. Mindfulness, at its core, is the act of bringing one's attention to experiences occurring in the present moment. According to a study conducted by the University of Massachusetts Medical School, mindfulness meditation can significantly reduce symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression. This practice encourages you to focus on your breath, sensations in your body, or perhaps a particular object or sound in your environment, to cultivate a state of relaxed awareness. When your mind inevitably wanders, the practice is to gently bring it back to the present, without judgment. In the words of renowned mindfulness advocate, John Kabat-Zinn, mindfulness means being awake. It means knowing what you are doing. The key is to practice mindfulness in a non-judgmental way. When you notice your mind wandering, don't scold yourself or feel guilty. Instead, acknowledge it and guide your focus back to the present moment. This way, you are training your mind to stay where you want it to, rather than where it naturally drifts, often leading to stress and anxiety. The practice of guided meditation for inner peace involves focusing your mind on a specific thought, activity, or object, guided by a trained practitioner or teacher. Guided meditation can be particularly beneficial for beginners who may find it challenging to concentrate or clear their minds. The use of guided meditation has been scientifically proven to reduce stress and anxiety. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology found that guided meditation significantly decreased stress levels in participants over an 8-week period. To help incorporate mindfulness and inner peace into your daily life, try setting aside a specific time each day for meditation. This may be in the morning when you wake up, during your lunch break, or before you go to bed. Begin with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the time as your comfort with the practice grows. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath without judgment. As the Dalai Lama once said, we can never obtain peace in the outer world until we make peace with ourselves. Guided meditation and mindfulness can be a pathway to achieving this inner peace. By focusing on the present moment and accepting it without judgment, you can cultivate an inner calm that permeates all aspects of your life. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Finally, consider seeking out resources to support your practice. This could be meditation classes in your local area, online guided meditation videos, or books on the subject. There are also numerous apps available that offer guided meditations and mindfulness exercises. The most important thing is to find a method that works for you and to stick with it. Consistency is key in developing a successful meditation practice and reaping the benefits for your mental and emotional well-being. One of the most effective strategies for achieving inner peace and mindfulness is engaging in guided meditation. Guided meditation is a process where one or more individuals follow the instructions provided by a trained practitioner or teacher. The guidance can be delivered in person, through an audio recording, or via a video. This form of meditation is particularly beneficial to beginners who might find the practice daunting or confusing. According to a study published in JAMA Internal Medicine, meditation helps reduce anxiety and depression and improves overall mental health. One of the key elements of guided meditation is the use of visualization. Visualization is a scientifically proven technique that involves using the imagination to create a calming and peaceful scenario. This technique has been utilized in various fields, including sports psychology, to enhance performance and reduce stress. As the famous meditation teacher and author, Sharon Salzberg once said, "Mindfulness isn't difficult, we just need to remember to do it." Visualization helps in bringing the focus back to mindfulness. Engaging in regular guided meditation for inner peace and mindfulness involves more than just setting aside time each day. It requires creating the right environment for your practice. Choose a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a dedicated room in your home, a quiet corner in your office, or even a nearby park. Comfort is crucial, so ensure you have a comfortable place to sit or lie down. You could use a chair, a meditation cushion, or a yoga mat, depending on your preference. To maximize the benefits of guided meditation, it's recommended that you incorporate it into your daily routine. Consistency, as emphasized by the noted mindfulness expert John Kabat-Zinn, is more important than short-term intensity. Start with as little as 5 minutes a day, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Finally, remember to approach your meditation practice with an open mind and patience. It's normal to experience difficulties in focusing during meditation, especially if you're a beginner. Instead of getting frustrated, acknowledge the distraction and gently bring your focus back to your practice. As the renowned philosopher and writer, Alan Watts once said, "Muddy water is best cleared by leaving it alone." The same concept applies to meditation. With time and practice, your mind will gradually become more tranquil and focused. To sum up, guided meditation is a powerful tool for fostering inner peace and mindfulness. It involves following the instructions of a guide and using visualization techniques to focus the mind. For best results, create a conducive environment for your practice, incorporate it into your daily routine, and approach it with patience and an open mind. Remember, the journey to inner peace and mindfulness is a gradual process that requires consistency and dedication. In conclusion, guided meditation is an invaluable tool that aids in achieving inner peace and mindfulness. This therapeutic practice helps to reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and clarity, and enhance emotional health and well-being. By incorporating guided meditation into your routine, you can significantly improve your overall quality of life. We've covered many facets of this topic, providing valuable insights on how to best approach and utilize guided meditation. We encourage you to engage with us, share your thoughts, and express how guided meditation has impacted your life. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content with others who might benefit from it. If you found this content helpful and enlightening, you might also be interested in our related topics such as mindfulness techniques for stress relief and the role of meditation in emotional healing. To stay updated with our content and learn more about these life-enhancing practices, make sure to regularly visit our platform. We are committed to providing consistent, engaging, and informative content aimed at promoting peace, mindfulness, and overall well-being.